Listen, let me speak to him.
Yo, you gotta stop. You sure? You gotta.
Welcome back to Advocacy Alchemy with Professor Ross. Today we have a good one, guys. What happens when someone tries to leave a restaurant without paying? It ends up with a trifecta of charges: theft of services, harassment, and resisting arrest. Stick around as we break down the legal implications of a dramatic encounter at Chili's and what lessons we can learn. Let's watch how this situation unfolded and see what led to these charges.
Activate, you're not leaving.
Activate the camera. I don't give a f. Because he's hella weird. I don't care.
Okay.
So you can do what you gotta do.
Alright, you're not leaving.
Do what you gotta do.
You're not leaving.
Do what you gotta do.
Okay.
Do what you gotta do, because I am. Because I told him I was gonna get money for it, he said no. So then I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. So if we gonna do whatever we're gonna do, we gonna fight it out till the end
Don't
of the
make this situation worse.
He's
okay?
weird. No.
Okay.
I'm not staying here for that shit. Y'all always call like 5 officers for bullshit. It's not that serious. Like, even he know that.
You see 5 officers here?
Every time I go to jail, it's 5, 6 officers. For what? It could be a simple. No, you're weird. I said, shut the fuck up, you bitch. He weird. I said, I'll give you the money for it.
She's lying.
He said, I said, I'll give you the money. I'm God, I did. On my kids, I did. Nigga, I said, shut the fuck out you. Back to door. I shut the fuck out you. I said, I'll give you the money. I did. And you said, no, officer here. And I said, I will give you the money. So if you want to fight about it, we can do that. I don't give a fuck. This nigga got me fucking about the fuck. So that'll give me for assault too. Give me for that too. Make sure I do that. I'll put this shit good. You not finna go jump in a bullshit like that. He's hella weird. You know that. You go come back up, do what you do.
How much does she owe you?
What I owe you? What I owe you?
I'm not. Listen, let me speak to him.
What I owe you? What I owe you?
Yo, you gotta stop.
What I owe you? What I owe you? What I owe you?
You sure? You gotta.
Yeah, when I'm finna hurt you. Hey.
Now you're under arrest. You fucking take a fighting stance on me. Stop resisting.
Wait, let me go. Let me go. That's not that. No. You're not finna just do it. You're not finna just do it. See that? You're gonna do it, bro. I swear to God. That was just hella. That wasn't right, bro. I didn't touch you or nothing, bro.
40. Have somebody respond down here forthwith.
Oh, yo. She was asking for
Hold on. You only do one thing at a time. Right now, I gotta attend to her. Search her bag. She's gonna get searched.
So she was.
Search her.
Morning, just confirming EMS.
Negative.
What's up?
Keep it AirPod, please.
Your AirPod?
It's right there over there.
Yeah, I got it.
No problem.
Did she still? Did she still say stuff? Or just one?
Can y'all give me a different alter there?
Slow down. Did she what?
Did she steal something?
Yeah, she apparently she walked out on a bill or something. So she wanted to go after the guy, the waiter. She took a fighting stance. She was going to go hit him, so I went to go put the cuffs on her. And she turned on me. She took, resisted him, took her, fighting stance on me.
Just calm down for now. I got your one AirPod.
Can you put it in my bag?
Yeah. I'm gonna get you back. Yeah, I'm gonna put your stuff there too. Okay. I'm gonna search you. Is there anything that's gonna hurt me?
40. I have enough friends. I have 3 here right now. You could discard anybody else that's coming up.
That's mine.
Yeah, I know. We're just taking that. What's your name?
Jarnisha.
Jarnisha. Please stand up for me. I'll help you stand up. Okay. And then you can sit back down. Okay.
She's in Red Lobster. I think she ran out on the bill. Is this your silverware?
No, that was.
I didn't say that too.
That was just for Red Lobster.
What's that?
But I don't know why she took it.
Did Silverware Red Lobster or no?
Yeah, Red Lobster.
Get his info. Get the manager's info.
Are you the girl at WFCBS the other day?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm the same one.
I thought you were leaving town.
I stayed for a couple days.
Didn't I tell you not to steal, do anything?
Yeah,
down
you told me
here?
not to
Yeah, I
steal
did tell
at
you, right?
work. Yeah. No, you can pay if you want to.
I can go get my end.
Yeah.
You have an idea about it?
Like 2 cops.
Alright, was it around
Just, you can go back to your job. I'll take you on. Thank you, Justin.
Going on the bill for this?
I don't know. I gotta get the. I didn't even get the whole story.
I could have quite I should have just taken it.
Didn't we talk the other day?
Yeah.
You think this will be good? We help you out there.
I know. Yeah.
And now you still calling
I
shit?
think I had it because I didn't need to. I could have just wanted that.
Listen, I don't even know what happened, man. I'm just trying to talk about the
I was
fact
like,
that I was with you the other night. We hooked you up. We had an agreement. I could have locked you up that night.
I know.
You stay here causing shit in my apartment.
Are you staying in town?
I got a room.
Where?
Red roof.
Red Roof?
He's in that CVS, but I should have just paid for it.
So it just walk on, run around because all these people.
Did she pay for any of it?
Nothing. She said I was waiting.
How did she get to the open?
No, she asked him for to go everything, but she's trying to ask him for another drink. The thing is that she wants me both to the bar or somewhere to not see my responsibility. That's what I did. Went to the kitchen as soon as I turned on, I would see. But she would try to hide it with me, like. Because the thing is, because they charge them, me and the rest because they have a record. They think like.
This sour copy. Can we take this?
He does.
All right, let's get her in. Take your. It's not her. She didn't pay for it. Where's that fork and knife? Give me that fork and knife.
Yeah, I got the same.
Sir, sir, sir.
That gentleman there asked.
Alrighty.
What car do you want her in?
It doesn't matter. Just follow him.
Like the box. You can sit. Watch your hand, okay? How far does it turn on the AC if you something to get the toilet?
You're right from the title. After you say Ken, we'll be with the desk and put the roll.
Anything else happen with
You got the information from the police?
Because
I have no idea what's going on with that. I have no idea what's going on with that.
I just got the information. The one guy just said that she asked for the food to go, and then she asked for another drink. So it's like when he walked away to make a drink, she just left and didn't pay for it. And that's the story.
Okay.
What exactly is 60 days? What exactly is 60 days?
Alright, look, we're going to transport you back to headquarters and you order this.
Have you been arrested before? Alright, so you're probably not even you're under arrest. Then you'll just get a court date. You'll get a court date.
Last day.
You're going to be with us about like 2 hours maybe?
4
2-3 hours. And then from there you get a ticket and you have to go to court. You have to go at night.
Like, you know how people dress out and go to like put their clothes on? Like, you know how people change into like you guys' outfit?
Oh, like a prison uniform?
Do you think I'll have to do that?
Not at our
I've
head.
never been out here in jail, so
Have you been arrested before?
in California.
In California? Did they make you do that?
It depends what you did.
What you did? Yeah. So
Longer there too.
you held longer.
I was there for like 3 days.
Okay. Well, you're not going to be in our custody where you'll have to change clothes or anything like that for 3 days. Pretty much, we're going to go. You're going to be charged. It seems like a theft and resisting, and then you're going to get a score. It's dependent on your prior criminal history. So if you never got arrested in Jersey before, I'm assuming it'll be pretty low. And if it's under a certain number, you go home with a court date. And if it's over a certain number, you go to the county jail, where they'll make you
Okay, but if I never went to jail in Jersey, I should be okay.
Yeah, you should be okay. You're not sick, injured, or ill, right? No? You don't want to see CMS or anything like that? Okay. You don't want to hurt yourself? Okay. Hot? And you got the hoodie.
Yeah. You know?
Yeah, just get out and stand right here for 1 second.
Let's take a look at the law. First, we have theft of services. This is found in New Jersey Statutes Annotated Section 2C:20-8. This charge applies when someone intentionally avoids paying for services they've received. In the context of a restaurant, this includes leaving without paying the bill. This typically is considered a disorderly persons offense in New Jersey, carrying penalties such as fines, restitution, and potential jail time. A good example, if you order a full meal at Chili's and attempt to leave without paying, you are depriving the restaurant of the payment they are owed. A classic example of theft of services. Harassment. This is found in Section 2C:33-4. This occurs when a person engages in conduct meant to annoy, alarm, or harass another person. In this case, if the individual verbally or physically harass staff or officers, it could lead to this charge. Another example, making threatening or vulgar comments to restaurant employees or the police during the incident. Next, resisting arrest. This is found in Section 2C:29-2. Resisting arrest involves purposely preventing a law enforcement officer from making a lawful arrest. This can include physical resistance, fleeing, or even non-compliance. Another example, struggling with officers who are attempting to detain you for the unpaid bill or trying to leave the scene during an investigation. Let's talk about crimes of dishonesty. It's important to recognize that crimes involving dishonesty, like theft of services, can have consequences that extend far beyond the immediate penalties. Convictions for crimes of dishonesty often remain a person's record, impacting their ability to secure jobs, housing, and other opportunities. Employers, landlords, and even creditors often see these offenses as indicators of untrustworthiness. Even something as seemingly minor as walking out on a restaurant bill can lead to a long-term consequence, as criminal records don't just disappear. It's a reminder to think twice about actions that could leave a permanent mark on your reputation and future opportunities. Let's break down the legal thresholds for these charges. Number 1, mere suspicion. Definition: a hunch or unconfirmed belief that something is wrong, without any concrete evidence. A good example, a server notices a woman acting nervously and suspects that she may leave without paying, but there's no direct evidence. Number 2, reasonable suspicion. This is defined as a specific, articulable fact that suggests the person may be involved in a crime. For example, the server observes the woman walking toward the exit without paying her bill. They alert the manager, who decides to call the police based on her behavior. Number 3, probable cause. This is defined as sufficient evidence to believe that a crime has likely occurred, allowing for an arrest or a search. Another example, the police arrive and learn from staff that the woman left without paying, resisted when approached, and made threatening statements. This gives officers probable cause to arrest her. Number 4, preponderance of the evidence. This is defined as evidence that makes it more likely than not that the claim is true, and is used mostly in civil cases or small disputes. An example, in court, the restaurant presents surveillance footage showing the woman dining, leaving without paying, and verbally harassing staff. This tips the scale in favor of their recovery for the unpaid bill. Number 5, clear and convincing evidence. This is defined as a high standard of proof, showing that the claim is substantially more likely to be true than not. Remember, we always say about 75% or better. A good example, eyewitness testimony from the server, corroborated with video evidence, shows the woman leaving the restaurant without paying and resisting officers, clearly linking her actions to the charges. Number 6, beyond the reasonable doubt. This is defined as the highest standard of proof. It requires near certainty of the defendant's guilt in criminal cases. A good example, the prosecution demonstrates through video footage, witness testimony, and the woman's own statements that she intentionally left without paying, harassed staff, and resisted arrest. The jury would be convinced of her guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. This incident highlights the consequences of attempting to dine and dash, along with the additional trouble caused by escalating the situation. The charges of theft of services, harassment, and resisting arrest each carry serious penalties, reminding us of the importance of resolving disputes calmly and lawfully. And as we've discussed, crimes of dishonesty can leave lasting marks on your record, affecting your future in ways you might not even expect. Remember, this is Advocacy Alchemy, and I am Professor Ross. I'll see you tomorrow. I want you all to have a great day, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.